Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can post on TikTok for everyone to see. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open up our TikTok application on our phone. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can start to create a new post. Click on this plus button to create new post. And for instance, I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery. So I'm going to click on this photos option. And for instance, I'm gonna go with this photo. Okay, then if you want to post on TikTok for everyone to see, before you upload your post on TikTok, you can go to the TikTok settings. Okay, click on the TikTok setting, and here you can select everyone. Make sure that you just select everyone so everyone can view your post. And after that, we just need to go back, then click on next. Okay, then click on post to post this TikTok content. Okay, and I guess that's how we can post on TikTok for everyone to see. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.